All right, we got a kid here named Carla who messed up. So let me show you what she did. Um, so they say for a math homework assignment, Carla found the area and perimeter around a room of her house. She reported the area of her rectangular living room is 180 square feet, and the perimeter is 54 feet. When drawing a sketch of the living room the next day, she realized that she had forgotten to write down the dimensions of the room or the dimensions of Carla's living room in feet. So what they really tell us here is think about we have two. So the same column home length, width to measure the rectangular living room of her house. So she found that the perimeter is 54 feet, but also she also knew that the dimension for the area is 180 square feet. So now what happened is she forgot the length and the width. She measured it. Think about measuring this room or this board. She measured it. She said, okay, perimeter is that, and it's 54. The area is 180 square feet. She went to the school. She's like, oh man, I forgot the length and the width of the room that I measured. So this is what we're gonna find for her. All right. So let's change color here for no apparent reason at all. So what's the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Length plus width multiplied by 2, right? So that means what they give us the perimeter here is 54. That's equal to, I put the 2 up front here to make it easier. They go length plus width. What's the formula for the area of a rectangle? The area of a rectangle, 180 is equal to, which is the area, area is equal to 180 is the length times the width. So the area of the rectangle is length times width. All right. So we kind of have two equations here. Not kind of, that's what we have actually. So 2 times length plus width is equal to 54. Length times width is equal to 180. There's probably a million ways to solve this. I'll show you which one I think is easier. Let's divide both sides in this first equation here in the top equation by 2. So we have length plus width is equal to, this is the one that we're working with this one. Length plus width is equal to 54 divided by 2. I divide the side by 2, that 2 is gone, and I divide the side by 2, 54 divided by 2. All right, so 54 divided by 2 is 27. It's equal to 27. Length plus width is equal to 27. Now in this equation, we have length times width, which is 180. So what we can do, we can say W is equal to 180 divided by L. So I divided side by L, divided side by L. This is what I did basically. So W equals length, 180 divided by L. So let me see how far down on the board we are. Let's see if we can still see this. Yeah, I can go a little bit down. So let's go here. Change color for the apparent reason. So we have L plus, I can replace W by what its value, 180 divided by L is equal to 27. So what I did, instead of writing L plus W, I said L plus 180 divided by L, because it's the same thing as W. It's equal to 27. So let's multiply everything across by L. That implies I multiply this side, everything by L, and everything on this side by L, right? So what do we get? L times L, L squared. 180 divided by L multiplied by another L, which is going to give you 180. That's 180. 27 multiplied by L equals 27 L. All right. So let's make this thing shorter. Actually, we need to do the width was bigger than the length. All right. So 180 divided by L. No, 180. So we have L squared actually. L squared. L squared minus, so that's 27L. I move it on this side. Minus 27L plus 180 is equal to 0. That looks familiar, right? Quadratic equation. So L is equal to minus B minus 27 plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. 2A is 2 times 1, 2. If you don't know this, there's a lot of videos that we've done that explain this. Just look for quadratic equation in our videos. So B squared minus 27 squared minus 4 times B squared minus 4 AC. A is 1, C is 180. So divided by 2A. So plus or minus, we'll find one of them will be dimension of the length, the other one will be dimension of the width. So let me do the one in the square root first. Minus 27 squared minus 4 times 180. And then I'll take the square root of all that. Let's delete this. Okay. Minus 27 squared minus 4 times 180. 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So that gives us L is equal to minus 27, which is 27 plus 3 divided by 2. 27 plus 3, 30 divided by 2, 15. All W, or L, 1L, 2L. W is equal to 27 minus 3 divided by 2. 27 minus 3, 24 divided by 2, 12. So the dimensions are 15, 12. So if you kind of look for the perimeter, 15 plus 12, 27 times 2, which is 54. That's what they told us the perimeter is. And the area, 15 times 12, 180. That's what they tell us the area is in square feet. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, like, share it on your page. You'll have a lot of kids. Thanks. Bye.